Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the text shifting animations using the CapCut PC. So first, you can just write text like this, word by word like this. You can hit on enter after every word and set the alignment into left alignment like this and increase the line spacing to 2 or 3, just like this. You can adjust the font size and put the position to here. Now you can just duplicate the text. You can just copy and paste it like this, and on the second text in here you can just write the first text or the default text which is going to appear until the end. You can just put it in the center like this, and now what you need to do is just move the text in here after the first word. You can align it just like this. Okay, now you can adjust the durations of the text to how you like it. I'm going to go with 6 seconds. Write this, and after that, here on the first layer of the text, go move the playhead into 1 second, and then add a keyframe under the positions in here. So add a keyframe. Okay, after you add a keyframe, you can just move the playhead into 5 frame. You can just use the arrow key on your keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that you can move the text in here to the second word, and make sure that the X value of the text will be the same. So before it's 2, 3, 1, so you need to make it the same, and then just repeat the steps until the end of the text, so the end of the word in here. Okay, move it again. Just repeat the steps. So I've already set all of the keyframes, so it will move just like this. And after that, what you need to do here is right click on the first layer of the text and create a compound clip. Now go to video mask and choose the rectangle one here. Adjust the size of the mask to match with the word. Okay, I'm going to go with this one right here because this is the longest one. Okay, and now you can click on the this one, the first word, and set the color to how you like it. I'm going to go with red, and this will be the text shifting animations result. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.